Talofa love. Good morning, everyone. Um, it is Sunday here in Samoan. It's a special Fatal of Tuala members. Hope everyone's doing well. Uh, it is about 4:30 in the morning. I know last Sunday we were trying this. It's the same time I woke up last Sunday, but I was actually aiming for 3:30 this morning. But no, it's all right. 4:30 is okay. I think we can do it today. Get the Omo done and be in church on time this time. So I hope everyone is doing well. Everyone had a great week, and yeah, guys, just trying to stay awake and try and get the Omo out of the way so we can go to church. So it's a fairly simple Umu today. One of the new things that I'm trying to do is se mea ai ke le hoingare so pingi umai lungo le muka ko mea, and if there's a mea that we have to do, we can just do it on the kaingafi next to the umu. So I'm just trying to limit the amount of food, and if we can do everything on the umu ka umamelu, then I think that's a win for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and let's get into it. Yeah, kalu, kaamu, then a few things to get on the home, and that's it. So our menu today is pork trotter soup, supukapuvai, and the umu. We're gonna do faiai elegi, but also try and cow some chicken on the umu. So that way, kilo meai, lela pingi umai lumo le umu. Ia se fer kai mi markoyo fo e koe fangisi mer oving. But yeah, see baruka. Alright fam, so just finished the taro, scraping the taro, so I'm gonna la fakiki el kakusupoka puai, so fika ho ingale a ole kai me fuele a umakwa pala. But umaloa kalo fishi kakamu. I'm probably gonna do 3 or 4 luaus today. Kaule I get it luau last week, so fale kiki la luau. I forgot for eating. Cow marka kumuan nai pa uma moira nga me cow guys. So I think we're going pretty good for time. It's about 5:15 now, and after that cow le mar umo poposiaf era kamalo su emesema pepasi fa mo mafi. I'm gonna do the supukapuvai here, and then that way we can focus on the umo after. Blok sika ka e popola kamusia le ngai koi lumo popo. Right, so we've got the chicken here, and then pork trotters at the bottom there. So there they go for avaya koikam. But we've also got the mamoe, so it's all pretty much sorted. It's all pretty much sorted at the moment. It's just a matter of getting everything done. Okay, so I'm just getting the fire ready, and this is what I usually do when I don't have any pupopo to famu the flames. I arrange it in a way that I can sort of like so that's probably the best way to do it. And now we're just gonna add gonna famu, and once it starts burning, we add on to the flame. about to kaudomu soon. Just enjoying a bit of koko Samoa from last night. So we're giving it about 35 to 40 minutes, so not too bad. But at the end. So that's why 35 to 40 minutes. But after the supukapuvai, then sana ko kapingam ya saungilo. I don't know if anyone noticed Kamisa of luau uncle. Like calling you. So it seemed a bit clouded. And that was because you hardly see that in Samoa, but it does happen. It gets really cold in the morning. And that's why so just added ginger, onion, and the noodles. Ginger was actually pretty cheap. I bought it from the store. It was $2 for that huge one I showed you. A lot cheaper than the local ginger, which surprises me because see, maybe come you know, yalu olo. At the same time, like more kope but you gotta keep up with cost of living as well, so no harm, no foul. So we've got our koko Samoa there from last night. So yeah, I think pretty much we're done for the meai. And one last thing for the supukapuvai, tomato paste, just to add a bit of color because you know, I like the flavor of tomato paste in soup, and I'm pretty sure the family likes it too. Way to the shop just to get a few things. My wife needs some stuff for the laundry of the kids, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I know Villa, so see, this is what I mean by if we make an early start, I think we can finish all the food before it's time to get ready for church. As they say, win your morning, win your day. But you know, it's Sunday, so win 4-4. But yeah. I think we're over by 5 minutes. Alright fam, so all the cooking's done now. A couple of eyes done. All of the main dishes done as well. So we just want to check the mamoe pinga. The lead kaunga. So just want to double check. Pau wan me ia inga mero kurkuria. Oh ia wola. Whainga to inga. Ai. Vela leia mamoe. Ooh. That's really good. Got mamoe there. Elegi. You've got the luau. More mamoe here. Supo kapuvai. More cow mole murufa kiakfale umame lessa. Now I'm gonna go get ready to church, and then we'll see you after tonight. Te koe miki kasi asi ngai pukoko. Alo lolo. Alright guys, so heading to church now. We will definitely catch you guys when I get back. Alright fam, so we just finished church. Just went to grab the phone. And yeah, family's getting ready for tonight, and we'll show you the results soon. Alright fam, so we're finally here in the kitchen now after church. It's very nice to come back from church and have the food all ready. And I will be doing this a lot more often now, but I'm going to show you guys the results, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did making it. We'll start from this side. We've got our supo kapuvai, pork trotters. Oh, it's very nice. Amanga here supo kapuvai. There you go, see there. Alright, this side we've got our mamoe, the pau mamoe re-roasted. We've got our luau. Let's just break into that. Oh, that's nice. That's yum. Got our faiai elegi, our taro, and our roast chicken. Also get a kaamu later on, but sorry I couldn't show it now. But yeah guys, a very nice spread for this Sunday. But anyway guys, I'm gonna have to sign off now. Join the family for tonight. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Have a blessed Sunday and have a great week. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.